What's going on, guys? My name's David and I'm the owner and founder of AI automation agency called We Make Automations, and today I'm going to show you how we can grow a chatbot on Chatbase for free using a free account. So I've even created the prompts, everything, all the prompts are created here. So I'm going to link them in the description, guys. If you want to go grab this prompt, you can. All you've got to do is, as you can see here, business type, just change it like assistant for a real estate agent or an assistant for a spa. It's got all the instructions down at the bottom of how to use it, but it's a really good in-depth prompt that will get the client's leads. It will learn every day, so it's a learning bot. We just go to the front, look, you are Alex, short for Alexandria, an advanced AI assistant for business type, which I can't change this now but I'll change it when we get into Chatbase. You have a warm, engaging personality with a touch of wit and professional charm. You were born today, and you effectively learn from each interaction to become more knowledgeable and effective. And then it's got a core identity, intelligence, growth simulation, lead generation, strategy, look, all the things that you need to connect, personality constraints, advanced response guidelines, knowledge, look, it goes on and on, guys, anyway. But yeah, a great prompt for you guys for free, so just click on that in the description, and if you've got any suggestions, put them in the comments and I'll make it even better for you guys. But yeah, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be doing these tutorials all the time now. So let's get into Chatbase, guys. So first of all, this is the playground. This is where you can actually mess around with the chatbot. This is where what you would do is you could come here. Let me move all this actually out of here. Let's get all this out because it already comes with the custom prompt, but we want to be using ours. Mine's an AI chatbot. But that's further on down the line. What we want to be doing, guys, is you want to be going to sources. I'll explain all these as we go through. But yeah, we're going to go retrain the chatbot. Oh, sorry. Sorry. We're going to go to text. Get rid of all this. And let's go grab this now. And go grab that. And let's go and put this in. Where are we going? There we go. We'll to use this template. There we go. So let's go back. Let's pop that in. We've got everything in there we need. Right, then let me just change these. I'll be back in a sec. Alright, guys, so that's all filled in now. I'll just run through what else you can do down here. Now, Q&A. Now, if you understand, if you're starting your own agency or whatever, what you want to be doing is you want to be talking to your client and you know, say what are the most you know, type of questions that get asked so often, you know. And then what you would do in here is you would put the question is like, say, let's just say what's your name for now, and then you can put Peter in or whatever. Sorry, Alex. Like this. You can go to websites. You can crawl websites. You would put like we've got here. I've got Moss Properties. Well, I'm just modelling this on. This is not a real thing. And we will come back, look, we will just enter that, and then you would fetch the links in. It would scrape that website for you, and it would train the chatbot around them links, or you can submit a sitemap. But I think, especially for beginners, it's definitely good to get good at prompt engineering, good at prompting for your chatbots, and then you just go but like that, and it will start retraining the chatbot. So let's there we go. So now it brings you to the playground. So you're in the playground, and this is where you would just start, you know, I'll show you a couple of tricks what we can do in here as well. So you've got all these different models on the free one. You've got Claude, you've got Gemini, and then you've got all these GPTs which you can't use on the free model. As you can see, they are pretty expensive, like the Turbo GPT-4, look, is 20 credits cost each time, you know, so we're fine with 4.0 mini. And what we can do is when we've got everything ready with the prompts, look, temperature, this is how creative you want your chatbot to be. So do you want it not creative or really creative? I normally have mine on about 0.1 or 0.2. So that's great. And then, like we say, we're an AI chatbot. That's all done. But what you can do now is you can come and compare them. And you would use GPT-4o Mini. Let's see what else we've got in here. So let's use Claude. And then let's ask the same question like... oh no, I know. Let's go. Can you find me a house? And then what you could do is you could screen record this with the phone and say I've created you 2 chatbots, or you add another one and say I've created you 3 chatbots to look at, and it looks like you've created 3 chatbots when in essence you haven't, you see. So you see what's the difference in the output from 4o. Claude is more elegantly kind of speaking. So there you go. And then you could even add another one, you see, and we will come down to here. And what else have we got? Gemini. Let's add Gemini. Let's ask the same thing again. Can you find me a house? And then obviously there you go. And this is how Gemini would do it. And like I say, you've got 3 different chatbots to take to your client there. So that's what we do all the time. Just delete. In fact, yeah, I'll delete that one. So then, once you've got the chatbot all ready, you would come to connect this to the website, and you would make it public. And then, what you do is you embed in a chat bubble, or you embed the iframe directly, and you just grab the code here, and it'll give you a secret key, and you just come copy this text, and you would add it to the website. So I've just entered one of my old websites here. Just a fitness blog, but if you wanted to actually embed it, like I say guys, you want to use the chat bubble, and this is what would happen. You would end up with one of these on the website, and you would just go to WordPress, and the easiest way to do it is to go to plugins, add new plugins, and then you want to go and search for WP code, and it'll be insert this one here, and you just simply install it, and when it's ready you'll have WP code. Here we go. Headers and footers. Here we go. Sorry about that. And then you just go back here. You grab this. Where am I going? Let me put this down. You grab this code here, like that. Go back there. Simply enter that into there. Save changes. And then when you go to the actual website now, it should have a chatbot there for you. And there we go, in the corner, there's our chatbot, good to go. And it's as simple as that, guys. So yeah, installing it on the website. There's lots of other things that we can do. We want to be setting up AI voice chatbots using Chatbot Builder AI, BotPress, how to create all these types of videos coming. And guys, if you've got any questions or want to see any certain types of videos, please comment, because I'm going to be doing these videos every day. And if you want any chatbots building for your business, guys, remember, just comment below and I'll contact you straight away. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.